just sitting over there about 150 yards right underneath the shade tree. So let's get set up right in here. We'll tuck underneath this dead tree, kind of sit off the side here and get some hens right out here. I think they'll come right around the corner. I run an outfitting business up here called Nebraska Trophy Bucks and Birds, and the website's www.onegreathunt.com. That's number one. I've been guiding all year here, and we got 2 days left of turkey season, and finally had a chance where I didn't have any more hunters in, and shoot, I'm only a half mile from my house here and seeing a turkey from the porch, so thought I'd come out here and try giving it a shot. And shoot, we sat here for 5 minutes and called them right in. But we kind of specialize in Merriam turkey hunts up here. Lots of turkeys. I think we've shot almost 40 birds this year, and I know there's twice that still out there. We also have whitetail mule deer hunts, antelope, archery, grouse, pheasant, a little bit of everything out here. 1 minute you shoot a turkey, the next minute don't know what you're going to be doing.
Legs are a little bit dark. Got wings on fire, so it's out of